Madam Speaker, as a Member of Parliament myself, I'm painfully aware of the discontent associated with poor road conditions. The poor state of road devalues homes and communities, increases wear and tear, Madam Speaker. The challenge, Madam Speaker, is that the way we attend to secondary roads, speaking as the Minister of Finance responsible for procurement, is not scalable. Parceling out allocation by constituency to each Member of Parliament, suggesting roads for repair, nominating 3 or 5 contractors, as the case may be, is a process that does not lend itself to be scaling up. I could not allocate much more in good conscience, in real terms, on that basis. Madam Speaker, it's an inefficient way. We couldn't have 105 million contracts and 50, 10 million contracts and 10, 25 million contracts. Madam Speaker, it's reasonable to posit that the taxpayer does not get optimal value for money in procurement of materials, the deployment of equipment, and the application of technical know-how with this fragmented approach. And Madam Speaker, while it may be tolerable at the level of what road rehabilitation is today, at the level of 4 billion, this approach could not be used if we are to respond to the loud and consistent demand from the public and their representatives for better roads with materially more expenditure. Madam Speaker, to address these issues, the government of Jamaica has decided to take decisive action. I am pleased to inform this honourable House and the Jamaican people that the government of Jamaica will implement a $40 billion island-wide shared prosperity through accelerated improvement to our road network SPARK program. The SPARK program, Madam Speaker, will be executed over a 3-year period with the start of the project development in this fiscal year, because you have to go through PIMSEC, you have to satisfy PIMSEC. And Madam Speaker, having a year for it is, we're going to have to be very efficient, and NWA is going to have to get up to speed and make sure to get the job done, right? But we have to first design the project, plan the project, and for implementation, Madam Speaker, in the fiscal years that follow, under the theme, modernizing our roads for our shared prosperity. In response to that need, Madam Speaker, the Ministry of Finance, through the Student Loan Bureau, in support of this government effort, will partner with the Jamaica University College, the oldest teacher training college in the Western Hemisphere, to provide full tuition scholarships to 1,250 STEM teachers over the next 5 years. That is 250 full tuition STEM teacher scholarships over the next 5 years. Madam Speaker, the University of Technology is the largest source of work-ready science, technology, engineering, and math graduates in Jamaica. Under the leadership of its new Chancellor, Mr. Lloyd Carney, a successful Silicon Valley entrepreneur, this competence will only grow and the STEM output will only increase. UTech is uniquely positioned to anchor itself and build out Jamaica's knowledge process outsourcing and information technology sectors, Madam Speaker, and with IT-enabled business services that drive data analytics through machine learning and artificial intelligence, software development, information security, etc., engineering sciences, cybersecurity, etc. And Madam Speaker, they have labs at UTech that provide ready-to-work experience. Madam Speaker, through the Student Loan Bureau, the Ministry of Finance and Public Service will support Jamaica's goals and UTech's ambitions at the same time, and ensure that those who can least afford are not left behind. We'll do so by providing the UTech with a total of 1,000 STEM scholarships over the next 5 years, Madam Speaker. Those STEM scholarships will be used to support Jamaicans from low-income households. We need to broaden our economic base, Madam Speaker, and if we have sufficient numbers of qualified STEM students here trained in the latest technologies, Madam Speaker, though some may leave, and these will be obviously with some kind of bonding requirement, the presence of that talent here will attract investment, Madam Speaker, higher paying jobs, higher valued jobs, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, happy to remind the House, because this is public information already, that 70 new buses which are 45 diesel, 20 compressed, and 5 electric, will come in this fiscal year. But I'm also pleased to announce, Madam Speaker, that the government will be procuring an additional 200 electric buses on a phased basis over a 3-year period commencing in this fiscal year. Madam Speaker, as we speak, an electric bus drive up and park outside of the Parliament as a demonstration, Madam Speaker, of our resolve. See it right there. It's here, Madam Speaker. The electric bus. We're going for 200, Madam Speaker.